Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the infinity skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's get started with this awesome looking character, and to begin we're going to start out with the top of his head, which is just going to be kind of like a half circle. So there won't be much detail, but there's some tricky curves going on around later on. So let's just get started with the top here. And once you have this half circle, just kind of taper it in with a straighter line. And then go back out here. We're going to draw the side. Just two lines coming down, slight curve. Okay, and then the center here. Let's go back here, just come straight down. And then whatever you have here, now just connect these. It could be a straight line, or you can make it a little bit rounded. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the head. We can draw in the circle inside if you like. Just draw like a little circle in here. So this part's gonna be white. Alright, so now let's draw in the kind of like the shoulder area, which is a little bit tricky. So we're gonna start right here. Okay, so from this line here right in the middle, you'll make two little points, and then we'll curve this down. Okay, so from this point, slant it out straight. And then from the straight line here, we're gonna draw in kind of like a little half circle coming down. It's gonna be a little bit skewed to this side. So just kind of draw down here first, and then curve this, close everything off. Okay, so this part's gonna be a little bit straighter. This side's gonna curve a little bit more. Just round it out. Okay, and then from those two curves here, right in this, just draw two lines coming down and then close it off. So just make sure that you kind of slant it inwards toward the body. Alright, and once we have this, now we can finish up the clothing on the inside here. So start right around here. I'm just going to draw one curve. Okay, so just touch here. Yeah, so this is the only tricky part right here. It's getting these early shapes in. The rest of the body is a lot easier. Okay, and then there's gonna be a little border here. So from this shape here, I'm just gonna draw one more line. Just come down and just follow that curve. Okay, so those are his shoulder pads, and then we're gonna start on the clothing right here. So right here in the middle of this, I'm just gonna draw one curve going out. So same thing here, right in the middle, just curve it out. Now come back to right around here, you can make two little dots. And then on this one as well, just curve it, and then just close it off, so nice and sharp on the bottom. So this is gonna be his coat flaring out. Alright, so after this, let's finish up his arms, and then we can draw in the rest of the body. So we're gonna start right here, slant down, and then just kind of close everything off right here. So slant, and then come back in. And then now we can draw in his arm. So his armpit's like somewhere around in here. So we're just gonna draw in his arm, and it's gonna be straight. Just come down, and then angle it in. This is gonna be his wrist. And then for his fist right here, one little hook. Here's the back of the fist, and then just close it off. Alright, we'll add in the details later. Let's draw on the other side. So same thing here. Come down and just angle it. So just use the other side for reference. For his fist, again, little hook. Back of the fist. Turn it and then close it off. Alright, and then to finish up the details right here, from this corner right here on the wrist, just slant up. And he's got a lot of little bars right here, but I'm just gonna draw 2. So that's gonna be 1, 1 more. So whatever you draw on the other side, just come and do the same thing on this side. Alright, and then lastly, he's got something poking out right here on the shoulders. So I'm just gonna draw 2 little peaks or spikes. Alright, so that's the upper body. Yeah, it's a pretty cool design. Although I don't see too much of the skin in the game, in the Fortnite game. Alright, so now let's draw in this his body right here. So let's see, if you come across right around here, this is gonna be his waist. So make 2 little points, and then come down to the center here. Okay, so right underneath the fist, just make a little point right in the center, and then we'll come straight down. So this part is gonna be his knee right here. Okay, so now we're gonna come back up here. Just come down, so it's gonna be a little bit straighter. And then we'll curve this. This is gonna be his thigh. Just come in and then just close it off. So we're gonna have his legs together, kind of like the pose as you see in the Fortnite pictures. Okay, so just close that off. And then now for his lower leg, again we're gonna extend it. Let's go down straight. This is gonna be his ankle. Okay, so we're just drawing both sides. So flare out, pinch it back in. Okay, and then for his foot, so we'll extend this line one more time. Just go out and then close it off. And then just adding one line here on the bottom. And let's just go ahead and finish this part up here. It's got some details. It's kind of like an arrow. So we just gotta draw 1 triangle on each side. And it's gonna be all black, so just gonna draw in 2 lines. I know it's kind of small right here. Actually, I'll just shade it in so we can see this better. Alright, so those are his boots, and then to finish off the coat here, we're just gonna extend this line here, this curve. Let's go all the way out. Same thing on this side. Just follow the same curve. Just come straight down, and then just go back up. Just kind of pinch it off. So it looks like it's kind of folding over. Alright, so now we're gonna draw the back side. So start right around here. Just gonna draw a little angle like this. So his coat right here is kind of ripped. Okay, so just angle it, and then we're gonna angle it up again. And then one more, just come straight down. And then this one, just kind of slant it up right behind the legs. And that is it for this very cool looking Infinity skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.